Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to create Google Duo account. So you can use Google Duo to make video calls to your family, friends and anyone else. So people, if you are interested to make video calls with Google Duo, then you have to create Google Duo account. To create Google Duo account, first of all, you have to have Google Duo app installed on your mobile phone. So if it is not installed, then go ahead and install the app, but if it is pre-installed, then you can now easily create Google Duo account. To learn how to create, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to create Google Duo account, first of all tap on Google Duo application. After tapping on Google Duo application, wait for a moment and tap on the I agree button. You are just agreeing the privacy policy of the app. Now again click on give access. Now click on allow. Again click on allow. Now you will land onto a page where it will ask your phone number, so make sure you type your correct number. Now make sure your country code is correct. Mine is Nepal, so it is already here. Or if you would like to change, then tap on there and select your country. So mine is already selected. Then after completing it, tap on I agree. So the number is already verified. Now again click on while using the app. Again click on the same, that is while using the app. So the Google Duo account is already created. So this is how we can easily create Google Duo account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.